Hey guys, my name's Laser, and welcome back to another video. So today we are playing some more Bee Swarm Simulator. I'm with Ethan. Hello.
Bye.
Yeah, so we are going to be doing a code today. Two different codes actually, and we're going to see how much we make from these two codes. I've been waiting all day to do this because, well, like 2 days.
I didn't even know those were out.
Oh, they've been out for like 3 days.
Yeah, I've seen a video, but I haven't even done them.
Yeah, I was waiting for this to reset, but it's been taking so long, and it's at 54 minutes, so I'm just going to do it now. And I'll add, I'll do 11,570,000 plus whatever I get to equal to, yeah. So,
Wait, does I need change it like at 12, like AM for him, or will he change it at a different time?
I don't
Because for
know.
us it'll be different. But if I was a
For
game
us,
maker, I'd do it. It might not.
I think for us it's resets at 5 o'clock.
Yeah.
By the way, are you meaning for the code or for the, what I was talking about? Yeah, leaderboard, that's what I'm talking about.
Why would I talk about when a code resets? This code will reset into something else in like this time.
Well, I thought you were meaning like maybe to do with like when it's going to go, which will be tomorrow. So basically just do the code today. So the code is, these two codes. First one is called Cubly. It is CUBLY. Redeem that, and it gives you 1 bumblebee jelly, 10 bitterberries, 1 microconverter, and capacity code for an hour. The second code is called Strawberry, which is STRAWBEARY, because it's to do like it's beer, it's like strawberry. Mother Beer Morph, Rad Bee Jelly, 10 strawberries, strawberry field boost times 3, strawberry field capacity times 3. So now my backpack goes up to 85 million. How much does yours go up to, Ethan?
I haven't done strawberry yet.
Oh. But you've done Cubly.
Yes.
Okay.
I don't know if I'm a noob, but every time I write strawberry, I've written it in 3 ways. And it's like, invalid code, invalid code, invalid code.
Oh, it's like strawberry. Like an actual beer.
Oh. That's why I got it wrong.
Yeah, and you get a mother beer
That's
morph.
for my science beer. When I'm trying to do the code, everybody. Yes.
Yay. I think, were those my gifts? Aphid. I shouldn't have told you that, because now you're going to run over to here.
No, I'm not. I'm trying to do this code.
Oh, okay. Yes, I got everything. That annoying noob didn't steal anything. It's actually kind of lagging a bit. No. What is happening?
I don't know.
Okay, this is kind of lagging a bit.
Yay, 5 microconverters because I just did my T5 because I've been playing this for ages.
Okay. I think I've actually also got a badge that I can redeem. Yes, my goo badge is finally going from ace to, like, from 6% honey per pollen to 8% honey per pollen, and I'm gonna get 25 tickets, which is really good since I only have 39 tickets. How many tickets do you have?
More than that, 425.
Yeah, but I just got gifted BRB. So I can now actually get Science Beer Morph, which
Oh, gifted BB. For a minute, I thought you said I got my Cub Buddy gifted. I was like, what?
Yes, totally. No, yeah, so my BRB now does more honey per pollen and also lets me turn into Science Beer and Mother Beer, because normal BRBs don't do that. Only gifted ones. Also, I'm just realizing right now that my gumdrops... Okay, this is kind of weird, because you know how gumdrops and all this gummy bee and gummy bear stuff is all to do with, like, how gummy bear is evil and kind of like the devil. And I've got 666, gumdrops, so yes.
I remember having that much.
I've got 666. Okay, redeem that. Boom. Yay!
I also remember thinking I had 666, but then I looked properly and it's 665.
2. Oh, okay. Yeah, so we're gonna try and see how much honey we can make. I want to make a lot. So yeah. What are you gonna be doing the code as well? Are you even you're on my server, right? Are you not gonna do the code?
Probably not.
Oh, okay.
I'm probably just going to use the capacity for it.
Oh, okay. Well, at least, Ethan, if you do the strawberry code, at least you can get Radbee and Bumblebee jelly. Ooh.
Actually, I might try do it for the honey.
Oh, also, gifted silver egg from Tunnel Bear. Totally forgot about that for some reason. The only thing is, it's pointless now, isn't it?
Yes.
The only thing that I could probably think of using it for is maybe for Wind Shrine donations. Oh, hello, coconut. I got a coconut from my cub buddy.
Wait,
Yeah.
you have that 0.1% chance that you might get a mythic.
Oh, yeah. But dude, it's gifted silver, so I could get a gifted rare, gifted epic, gifted legendary, or gifted mythic. Yeah, so...
For a minute, just a minute ago you said gifted golden, now it's silver.
I never said gifted
mind.
golden. I definitely did not. You can even watch my footage.
Okay, I will.
You will? Okay. It's around 6 minutes. At the 6 minute mark, I'll be around to saying it. Yeah, so also the random jellies I have, I've got a music bee jelly, rage bee jelly, a rad bee jelly, hasty bee jelly, and 2 bumblebee jellies. So yeah, I need to... The only thing that's annoying for this is that, Ethan, guess what quest I need strawberry pollen for?
What?
Black bear.
Oh, yes.
And it's already done anyways, it's complete, I'm just not handing it in at the moment.
Wait, I might be doing stuff with my Riley bee, but I'm probably not, knowing my luck.
Okay.
Yes, I am. Whenever I get that 1 new token, I am.
Okay. Also, I'm decently close to getting Ultimate Annihilation 4 done. And also, close to finishing Star Journey 4. That's really close. I'm super close to finishing Star Journey 4. All I need is goo from Pumpkin and goo from Sunflower, and that's it.
Okay.
I just don't like the stupid Science Bear one that makes you have to use all your glues, use all your red extracts and all that. Because I'm trying to save my glues. Also, a couple days ago, I was thinking, oh my god, I'm about to nearly get all the glues I need for the gummy mask. Realizes, it's actually 250 I need, not 150. So yay, I've got 143. And 43 glitter as well.
Get the gummy mask.
I'm trying to get it. It's probably the one that I'm most close to, because I'm definitely not going to get the stingers, and I'm definitely not going to get the diamond eggs. Especially with the rate, especially with the increased rate that the stupid brown bears are going. For my brown bear one I have to do right now, I need 19 million from cactus, 9.4 million from sunflower, and 25 million white pollen. I know it's not that much, but it's definitely an increase from earlier.
Excuse me, can I please stay with my 30? I've only got 30,000, 61,000 because I'm only on my 11.
Oh, wow, lucky.
Can't wait to get into those millions, you know what I mean?
Okay, how close is... Whoa, okay, no. I'm not close to Strawberry Master at all. How close am I for Honey Master? How much is your Honey Master? Oh my god, I just U'd some royal jelly, and got a Fuzzy Bee XD. Well, good for you, Donut Monster 6000.
I've got 9 billion.
I've got 15.5 billion. Vicious Bee has been defeated. Okay, how much longer is this code going for? 21 minutes. What? Okay.
It was a 30-minute boost.
I thought it was a 15-minute boost. Okay.
Ugh,
Well, no.
why?
It was 15 for the other thing. The capacity is for 30. But then I've already ran out of the other one. So was it only what?
Me? Wait, I can do my strawberry master. Wait, I've already got it.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking, and I thought I could maybe get the next one up, but nope, that's like 5 billion or something like that.
Yeah, I saw that too, and I was like, I think and I was
Yeah, it's 5 billion. Wow. What's my closest one?
I feel once to get on accident, and then I was like, please fill your backpack, please fill your backpack, please fill your backpack.
Yay. I've got 41 million in my backpack right now.
I've only got 25 billion because
Okay.
I haven't been farming as much as you.
Yeah, but how close are you, like, how much have you done from Coconut, which is like the most annoying field in the world?
Nothing. I haven't even gone onto the bed after doing that.
Same. I'm just asking, like, how much. I'm still in
I think
junior.
you've done
Yeah, I bet I've done more than you as well, since I've had to do it for brown beer and spirit beer.
2 million.
20 million.
Yeah, I knew it. Like, I don't go in there at all.
How much have you done for
Going
Pepper
on.
Patch?
Oh, that's more, but I already know you had more because you said that last time.
Yeah, but how
93
much?
million.
Huh? What?
93 million.
Oh, I've got 131 million.
Unless you
No,
want to count the 7,000, then I'm off.
Oh, wow. Okay.
I know. Like, I'm off by 7,000, like I'm such a bad liar.
Science beer. I am a science beer, Ethan. I love science. Science
To
is
me,
my
you're
amaze.
like, I'm a science beer, and you weren't even into it, and you're like, oh, and then it sounded, even though I know you weren't changing
No,
out
my
of it,
pollen oh, wait.
like, that,
Okay, I thought my pollen container was full, and I was like, how? But it was just because I jumped up. And if you jump, then you're out of the field.
yeah.
So, yeah.
I'm about to say how to, because I've got 65 million.
Oh, I've got 51 million.
51 million for capacity.
No, like, that's how much I've done. 85 capacity.
I was going to say I've got 65 million.
Yeah, I've got 85. I've got 20 million more than you. Also, I can't remember if I told you, but I have actually got a way more high score on the Ant Challenge now. It's like,
What is it?
well, I can't remember right now, and I don't want to leave the stupid field.
Yeah, it's like, what is it? Now I can't remember.
I never said I could remember, I just said I've got a lot more.
Oh, yeah. But you're like, just like me. What is it? Now I don't know. I'm not going to guess what it is.
Oh, I really wish I could get more mythic bees. But that stupid commando is like, nope.
I really wish I could get like,
I wish I could get off the stupid
What?
Victor Bee curse. Victor Bee curse.
Well, be thankful you got fuzzy. Like, that was just lucky.
I had
Some
to
other-
pay Robux.
You're lucky that it didn't glitch and it was like, hey, you got Victor out of a fuzzy bee.
Imagine. Juliana. Yes. What? Num. What? I love the chat. The chat is like the best part of the whole game. Never mind. For me, it looks like +1 strawberry. Juliana, +1 strawberry. Yes.
Yes.
+1 strawberry. What? Nam? What? Never mind. +1 strawberry. +1 strawberry. +1 strawberry from Cub Buddy. Okay,
Hey,
you
down.
downstairs. Bye. Defeated Ladybug. Okay. That was you. Why?
No.
Yup. Like, yes, I want to.
She's like, yep, I'm downstairs. So it sounds like like a banana.
Yeah, okay. How much longer for the code? 16 minutes for the stupid code, and it's not even. It's just the capacity. And convert rate from Hive. Oh wait, no, that's that part. So I'm not even getting any boosts for strawberry. Okay, bye.
Oh yes, for a whole 15 minutes. I'm gonna run out the boost for it.
Okay, I'm gonna see how much I did. Well, I'm going to empty my backpack and then see how much I did. Because I've also got 60 million, in my backpack. No, you gave me gifts. I need to get these gifts.
Oh, I need gifts. So
Well, then
that's
good for
on me.
you. I am a polar bear. Why is... As soon as I turn into polar bear, me starts thinking of, I'm a polar bear in a polar world. I don't know
I
why.
need 40 more gifts. Ooh.
Okay, well I need to empty my backpack because I've got a lot of backpacks packing up
Oh,
in
but
my
I've got
pack.
25 microconverters, so I'm like, yes.
Oh, I've got 30, but I don't want to use them because I don't like seeing it be 29.
Well, I can't deal with waiting there for like 5 years.
I'd rather do this. And when I get
I don't
another
care.
5, and when I get another 5 from a quest, I'll get even more. I'll have 35.
What if you get 4?
Well, then I'll use 3. Well, no, I'll use 4. Yes. And then I'll use 3. For some reason, I was thinking you were talking about me having 31, but then I was like, wait, that wouldn't make sense anyways. I don't know.
I still wouldn't think. You're quite smart, Thomas.
Yes, I am. Remember the last episode when I was like, 2 plus 2 is 5? Or something like that. Like, times 2 dandelion plus times 2 dandelion equals times 5. No, it was times 2
But
dandelion.
pineapple.
Oh, well, pineapple. I didn't really care about the boost. I was meaning, okay, it was times 2 pineapple plus times 2 pineapple equals times 3 pineapple. That was what it was.
Yes.
Times 3 pineapple.
Yes, because I was talking about how I got 2 pineapples and another 2 and it was horrible. And you're like, no, 2
Plus 2
plus
is
pineapples
3.
equals 3.
Okay, finally I'm going to see how much I have made from that code and a little bit over. It
I don't
is...
even care.
Wow, I actually made quite a lot. So it was like 11 million. And I went to 180 million. So that's like 169. I got 169 million from that code, if my math is correct.
It probably isn't.
I know. I know I got over 100 though.
0 to 155 million.
Well, it was at 11 million, and then it went to 180 million.
Yeah, I'm not bothered counting that. That's 179. No.
No? Yes, that means that totally makes sense.
169.
Yeah, I said 169, and you're like, nope, it's 179, which means that you started with 1 million.
Well, at least I'm not like you. And was like, 2 plus 2 equals 3.
That was last episode, don't make fun of me. Do you need
At
vicious
least it's
bees?
higher numbers. At least it's higher numbers.
Do you need a vicious bee? It's a level 1, so it's about to be
No.
defeated.
No! You gave me this when I'm on top of the bear doing the nighttime memory match.
Oh yeah, I actually did.
And I fell.
Oh, what? What are you doing? Oh, the nighttime memory match. Okay. I'm doing King Beetle. Should I do a gifted egg donation?
You want?
I probably won't even get anything from it anyways.
You.
Okay. I got a gold egg from King Beetle. I'm just stacking up those eggs.
Well, I'm even lucky and we'll get a diamond.
Well, I got a gifted silver from Tunnel Bear today. And it's really
Well-
rare.
Well, earlier from this I got a silver egg and I donated it. It got cracked.
So, now I have, two
I wish I
silvers.
thought-
Okay, I've got 2 silvers, 1 gold, 2 diamonds, and 1 gifted silver. So yeah, that was pretty good code I did today. Anything else that I really need to do, Ethan? That you think I should do?
Thomas, this totally makes sense.
What?
I use one microconverter.
Yup.
I go down to 17 from 25.
What? Did you... What? Yes, that totally makes sense.
I use one microconverter. I had 25, 17.
Yes, okay, I'm gonna go to this area.
Spoiled.
Because I need these glues. Okay, one part of me was like, you won't have it. Oh, I got 4 glues, Ethan! I now get 4 glues because of my goo badge. I don't get 3 anymore like you. I don't get 3 like you, I get 4.
Well, guess what? I actually get 2.9.
Totally. Yes, you can get a
But they
0.9.
round it to 3.
No.
I get 3.4, but they have to round it to 3. Which
Yeah.
is sad.
Okay, so, yeah, okay, I'm gonna go and see how much I actually have done from the
Why don't you don't get your lucky number anymore.
8.
3. That's one of your lucky numbers too. Don't forget the 3.
Well, yeah, but that's my second favourite lucky number. My favourite is... Oh! Wait, what? I thought I had way more than that. Ethan, so, guess what my high score is, cause it is 100 and then my 2 favourite numbers.
160. No.
What? Totally,
83.
6. No.
183.
No, 138.
Oh yay.
If it was 183, then I'd have a Supreme Ant amulet and I'd be screaming at you about it. As soon as I jump... Oh, I know, okay. I was just about to say, as soon as I jump up in the air, gifts. But no, they did spawn on the ground. They did spawn on the ground. It's fine.
So I took it and shoved it in the air. Yes, that's what I did. I took your present and shoved them in the air.
No, they went on the ground, but if you did it a second later, it would have been up high.
Can I steal your gifts?
No, I've already taken them. And no.
Too bad. So I took it and I ran for it.
Okay, I'm gonna try to level up my bees. How many things do I have? 66,000. No, 6,000, sorry. 6,000. Is this one close? Oh, that one's close. Okay, I'm gonna do my Rascal Bee. I need to remember that. Rascal Bee's close. Okay, that's it. I might... Yes! Level it up! Boom! Yes! Okay, I got Rascal Bee to level 10. Yes! Okay, what other ones are close? Not you. Nope, not you.
True, but very close to becoming a level 10 in my dreams.
Okay, Frosty Bee. That goes up to the... Oh, he's totally gonna get Frosty Bee up. Nope.
That's so mean.
Did it even... Oh, it did move just then. I was about to say, me feeds it like all my treats. I'm gonna level up 0.
It's my favourite.
Oh, I know. My company is so nice. It just gave me 5 more that I can use. Thank you.
I don't know why, but I feel like this would happen. The one time I bet that I won't
Okay.
get a gifted out of using treats.
Thank
You're super
you.
lucky. You just got a gifted.
Yeah, imagine. So, I think I'm gonna end this video here, Ethan.
I bet you like 100 Robux that I won't get a gifted. Gifted.
Imagine. So yeah, I think I'm gonna end this video here, Ethan. Is there anything else that I should really definitely do? So yeah, guys, I'll do a memory match and then I'll end it off. Memory match, here I come, 25 million one. Ethan, you also do one and we'll see who can get the better stuff. What?
I don't know why, but I still need 400,000 more traits. No, 400,000 more bonds to level up my B to level 10. It's feed me 244 traits and we can make a deal when you'll be at level 10.
Is that your second level 10 or third?
Not sure, I think it's my third.
Okay. Can you come to the memory match, please?
I am.
Oh,
What
okay.
memory match are you talking about?
The big one.
The
Big-
biggest?
The big boy, yes.
Oh,
What one
have
are
I
you?
done that?
What one were you
I went
talking
to
about?
choose one because that's one I knew I hadn't done today.
Yes, totally. We're gonna just do like a challenge between who can get the best from the tiniest, littlest one. No, we're doing big boys. Also,
I'm not.
do you think that Onnet should make a code called Onnet's Apples?
Not really. Why?
Because if you get the red bomb sync, it says if blue bomb sync is active, apples to blue flowers as well. Yes, it apples to it. Have you not seen one of Thanksyear's episodes when he talks about that?
No.
Well, if you get your red bomb sync, it's not with the blue one. It's normal. It says applies. But if you get the red one, it's like apples.
Huh?
And the little thing up at the top, red bomb sync, apples.
Yeah.
Okay, so are we gonna do this now? Hello?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay, I'm gonna do it now.
Oh, Star Jelly.
I've seen coconuts and tropical. Oh, I got tropical drink. Oh no, that's the wrong area. Oh, dang it. Oh, I know that and that. Dang it, that wasn't actually that good. Oh, there was a star jelly. What did you get?
You first.
1 tropical drink and 25 royal jellies.
1 magic bean.
And that's it?
Yep.
Tropical drinks are really good, so yes, I think I won. So yeah, I'm going to end the video off. So if you guys enjoyed this video, then please be sure to smash that subscribe button and hit the like button as hard as you can. And I will see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.
I'm going to donate all my strawberries.
Bye. Okay guys, so I know the video's over, but I just was about to donate something, and Purple Potion is here. I know that Onnet was like, hey, don't donate your Purple Potions, but who cares, I'm doing it. The Purple Potion is blown away in a sudden whirlwind.
I donated my Purple Potion before he did it.
I'm doing it. And I got coconut.
I told you it's bad, like it's coconut, and then it's like sunflower.
No, I got spider. Spider. So yeah.
Oh, I got
goodbye. That was a kind of a random little bit.